Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about unity in diversity. Now, first of all, what does this phrase unity in diversity means? So, it refers to the idea that although India is made up of people with different languages, religion, customs, and tradition, they all coexist peacefully and form one nation. So, this concept is significant to India as it reflects the country's ability to stay united despite of its vast culture differences. One can even see this diversity when he or she travels through our country, India. Now, it becomes immediately apparent that when one travels through the country, especially by train, he or she can observe not just changing landscapes but also different types of clothing, food, languages, and scripts. Even within the same region, people from various parts of India can be seen, each bringing their unique custom and tradition. So, this rich diversity is often the first impression visitors have of India, highlighting the vast cultural, linguistic, and traditional variety that exists across the nation. Now we are going to talk about the People of India project. See, this People of India project was a massive survey conducted by Anthropological Survey of India in the late 20th century. It covered 4,635 communities across all states of the country, and the project found that there were 325 languages spoken using 25 scripts. And additionally, it revealed that many Indians could be considered migrants as they often do not live near their birthplace or with their original community. But do you know this diversity of India even contributes to its cultural richness? Now, with over 1.4 billion inhabitants, representing about 18% of the world's population, India showcases a wide range of tradition, language, and a way of life. The presence of 325 languages and multiple scripts demonstrate linguistic diversity, while the customs, food, clothing, festivals from different states add to the cultural vibrancy. So, this variety not only defines the Indian experience but also offers a colorful mosaic of human civilization. Further, we will understand this unity in diversity with reference to the Indian food habits. As I already mentioned, that India is a land of different cultures, climate, tradition. Despite this, the variety, there exists a unique sense of unity in the ingredients that are used in Indian cooking. Staple grains such as rice, wheat, millets are commonly used across the country, and though in different forms and recipes. For example, rice is staple in South India and part of East India, while wheat is more common in the north side. Even within regions that consume the same grain, the method of preparation vary. Now, rice may be steam plain in Tamil Nadu, made into a biryani in Hyderabad, or shaped into rice rotis in Maharashtra. Similarly, we'll go towards the spices like turmeric, cumin, cardamom, ginger. So they are used across the India, and these form the base of most Indian dishes. Yet the final outcomes are very, different due to regional preferences and cooking techniques. But above all, it's a perfect example of country's motto, which stays unity in diversity. Now we'll further move to the clothing, the traditional clothing of India, especially the sari. So it represents both cultural unity and religion diversity. See, traditional Indian clothing is a remarkable reflection of our country's culture and richness. Among all the traditional garments, the sari stands out as a symbol of both unity and diversity. The sari is a plain, unstitched length of cloth that is draped in various ways across different parts of India. While the sari remains a common garment, the material, weaving technique, color, patterns, they differ vastly from region to region. Now, for instance, Banarsi saris from Varanasi or Uttar Pradesh are known for their intricate gold and silver zari work, whereas Kanjivaram saris from Tamil Nadu famous for their rich silk and contrasting borders. Then is Patan Patola that is from Gujarat, are renowned for their complex Daut ikat designs. Then is Muga silk saris from Assam or Mysore silk saris from Karnataka. So all these, add perfect example to our cultural unity and religious uniqueness that coexist in India. Now we'll study about the Indian literature, that how does it reflect unity in diversity. So it's a perfect example of unity in diversity. Though extremely diverse in languages, style, technique, Indian literary work often share common themes and values. For example, the Panchtantra, a collection of animal fable, teaches important life skills. It was originally written in Sanskrit over 22 100 years ago, but its stories have been adapted into almost every Indian language and even translated into many foreign languages across Southeast Asia. Now we'll move towards our greatest epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Now, these are the two India's greatest epics that have been preserved, retold, and adapted across generations and regions for more than 2000 years. These epics were originally composed in Sanskrit, but over time they have been translated into various regional languages, making them accessible to a much wider audience. In addition to these translations, there are also country folk versions of the epics, especially in rural and tribal communities. And a survey in Tamil Nadu alone identify around 100 versions of the Mahabharata in local folklore. And these retellings often include changes in plot, character, emphasis reflecting local beliefs and cultural values. So, hope you have understood this chapter very well. And for further queries, you can drop your questions in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.